So today I'm removing my gel pedicure safely at home. Here's the before and after. Let's get started. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are removing my old gel pedicure. I'm starting with a medium ceramic drill bit to file off the gel polish gently. Always use light pressure to avoid heat or damage on your nails. Now I'm opening the new product I found from my local store. You can also find this on Shein or Temu. It's a magic remover that melts the product and making removal much easier. I'll apply a thin layer and wait about 3 to 5 minutes for it to soften the product. After 3 to 5 minutes, the product starts to bubble up. I'm using the flat side of my cuticle pusher to gently scrub the product off. Don't rush this step. Be gentle so you don't scratch your nail plate. Next, I'm using a hand file to check if all the product is gone. If I still feel rough spot, I'll go in again with the magic remover. I can still see a bit of product left, so I'm reapplying a small amount of the magic remover. It's better to take your time here than to damage your natural nails. Now that everything is softened, I'm gently pushing off the remaining product. You can already see how clean and smooth the nails look. I'll go back in with my hand file to smooth out the surface and make sure everything feels even before doing cuticle care. Now it's time to take care of my cuticles. I'm applying cuticle cream around my nails. This helps soften the skin and makes trimming easier. Then I'll push back my cuticles, trim away any dead skin, and shorten my nails. brush, I'm wiping off any leftover product and oils with acetone to leave the nails completely clean. I'm applying cuticle oil to keep my nails hydrated and giving my feet a little massage. Always finish your removal with moisture. It helps your nails recover. And that's it. My Gel-X pedicure is fully removed and my nails are clean and healthy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more relaxing pedicure content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.